नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो? ठीक है ना? Hope you all are fine and safe in your home. In this present scenario, you can't come to your school, right? Why? Yeah, because of this coronavirus. We have to fight against corona, right? How can we? Yes, we have to sit in your home very safely. At the same time, we have to continue our education also. How? Through online, you can continue your education. Okay. But you have to do one thing. You have to follow the instructions of your teachers. Okay. तुम सब मुझे जानते हैं ना? Do you know me? जो मुझे नहीं जानते उनके लिए मैं हूँ रजिला, आपकी हिंदी अध्यापिका. Do you like to study Hindi? Yes, good children. All of you like to study Hindi, right? Okay. Now I am going to introduce your textbook. This is your textbook named Tarang. इस पुस्तक में कविता है, कहानी है, सब कुछ है. This is here. Our first lesson is one poem that we can take later because I am going to take an interesting lesson. That lesson is a story. Do you like to hear story? Yes, everybody like to hear story. You, me, and everybody like to hear stories. Here, our story's name is Sone Ka Anda. What is our story's name? Our story's name is Sone Ka Anda. Part 2. Sone Ka Anda. Our story's name is Sone Ka Anda. Do you know what is the meaning of Sona? Yes, Sona means gold. Sona means gold. तो अंडा मीन्स क्या है? अंडा. आई थिंक एवरीवन लाइक टू ईट अंडा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अंडा? अंडा मीन्स एग. यस, अंडा मीन्स एग. तो बच्चों, हियर आवर स्टोरीज नेम इज सोने का अंडा, व्हिच मीन्स golden egg. Which means golden egg. Here, the main character of this story is Keshav. The main character of this story is Keshav. And the other characters are one sage, one hen, and Keshav's wife. Okay. हमारे कहानी के मुख्य कथापात्र है केशव और उनके अलावा उनके पत्नी, एक साधु और एक मुर्गी. Let us start our story. ओके, सुनो बच्चों. बहुत समय पहले की बात है. केशव नाम का एक दयालु व्यक्ति गंगापुर गांव में रहता था. कहाँ रहता था? गंगापुर गांव में रहता था. वह बहुत गरीब था. वह बहुत गरीब. गरीब मीन्स पुअर. वह दूध बेचकर अपनी रोजी रोटी चलाता था. वह दूध बेचकर अपनी रोजी रोटी चलाता था. हाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड? Yes, this is story of long time before. In the village of Gangapur, there lived a man named Keshav. He was very kind man. At the same time, he was very poor also. He earned the money for everyday living by selling milk. We need money now, so he earned the money for everyday living by selling milk. Okay, then एक दिन केशव दूध बेचकर अपने घर आ रहा था. तभी उसने रास्ते में एक साधु मिला. साधु मीन्स सेज. One day he came back to his home. After selling the milk, he met with a sage. साधु बहुत प्यासा था. What is the meaning of प्यासा? प्यासा means thirsty. Okay, what is the meaning of प्यासा? प्यासा means thirsty. And he met with a sage. He saw a sage. What is the meaning of sage? Sage means sannyasi. Then उसने केशव से पानी मांगा. केशव से पानी मांगा. साधु बहुत प्यासा था, इसलिए उसने केशव से पानी मांगा. साधु बहुत प्यासा था. The sage was very thirsty. That is why he asked the water to केशव. केशव ने कमंडल लेकर नदी के किनारे गया और पानी लाकर साधु को पिलाया. केशव ने क्या किया? केशव was very kindful man. That is why he took the pot of sage and filled the water from river and gave to the sage. साधु पानी पीकर बहुत खुश हुआ और उसने केशव को क्या किया कि साधु पानी पीने के बाद बहुत खुश हुआ, इसलिए साधु ने केशव को एक मुर्गी इनाम में देकर कहा, तुम वह मुर्गी को घर ले जाओ और वह मुर्गी रोज तुम्हें एक अंडा देगी। हाँ, what happened? After drinking the water, the sage was very happy. That is why he had given one gift to Keshav. What was the gift? One hen. That hen is not a normal hen, that's a special hen, and it will give a one golden egg every day. Then केशव मुर्गी पाकर बहुत खुश हुआ और उसने इस मुर्गी को घर ले गया। Then after that he had taken the hen to home. Then मुर्गी रोज एक सोने का अंडा देने लगा और slowly धीरे धीरे केशव की गरीबी दूर हो गई। The hen began to give one golden egg every day. By this, slowly he became rich. Then एक दिन केशव घर के बाहर जाने के समय उसके पत्नी के मन में एक लालच आ गया। What is the meaning of लालच? लालच means greed. उसके पत्नी के मन में लालच आ गया और उसने सोचा, क्यों इस मुर्गी का पेट काट कर सारे अंडे निकाल ले और शीघ्र ही धनी हो जाए। That woman, what she thought? She thought, why can't we cut the hen's stomach and we can take full egg and very fastly can become rich. We can rich very fastly. How? She thought that she decided to cut the hen's stomach and take full of golden egg. Then मूर्ख स्त्री ने क्या किया? The foolish woman cut the stomach of hen. मूर्ख स्त्री ने मुर्गी का पेट काट दिया। Then what happened? कुछ समय बाद वह मुर्गी मर गई। यह देखकर केशव की पत्नी बहुत दुख हुई। What happened? The foolish woman cut the stomach of the hen. Then what happened? After some time, the hen was dead. Then she can't find any egg from that stomach. She can't find any golden egg. She became very sad. Then after that, केशव came to his house. केशव आते वक्त उसने देखा उसकी मुर्गी मर चुकी और उसने अपनी पत्नी से कहा, तुम्हारे लालच के कारण ही हमको अपनी मुर्गी खो गई और अब हमको मुर्गी नहीं, हमारे पास वह मुर्गी नहीं है, हमारे पास वह मुर्गी नहीं है। क्या हुआ? मुर्गी मर गई। Then he told to his wife, because of your greediness, we lost our murgi, we lost our hen. Now we will not get any more golden egg. Why? Because of Keshav's wife's greediness, they lost their hen. तो बच्चों, इस कहानी का संदेश है, लालच करना बुरे बात है। लालच करना बुरे बात। Don't be greedy. Have you enjoyed this story? Okay, let me rewind once again. In the name of village, there lived a man named Keshav. He was very poor and at the same time he was very kind also. Then one day, how the way he lived? He earned the money for everyday living by selling milk. How the way? By selling milk. Then one day he came back to his house after selling milk. He met with a sage and the sage was very thirsty and the sage asked some water to Keshav and the Keshav was very kind man. That is why he took the pot of sage and filled the water from river. And after drinking the water, the sage was very happy and he decided to give one special gift to Keshav. Then Keshav को क्या मिला? केशव को एक special gift. What is the gift? एक hen, one hen. That hen will give a golden egg every day. Then the hen began to give one golden egg every day. By that, slowly he became rich. But one day what happened? Keshav's wife, she thought, why we are waiting for every day? We can cut the hen's stomach now. Then we will get full of egg. So she decided to cut the hen's stomach. And she cut the hen's stomach. Then what happened? After some time, the hen died. but she can't find any golden egg. So she became very sad. And the Keshav also told to her, because of your greediness, we lost our hen. Then we will not get any more golden egg. Okay, have you enjoyed? Okay, all of you take your textbook, page number 8. I will give some new words. All of you listen. First word is Dayalu. What is the meaning of Dayalu? Dayalu means kind. Okay. The second word is Garib. What is the meaning of Garib? Garib means poor. And the third word is Gaon. What is the meaning of Gaon? Gaon means village. Gaon means village. And the fourth word is Rosi Roti. Rosi Roti means livelihood. And the fifth word is Pyasa. What is the meaning of Pyasa? Pyasa means thirsty. Okay. Once again, first word is Dayalu. Dayalu means kind. And second word is Garib. Garib means poor. And third word is Gaon. Gaon means village. And fourth word is Rosi Roti. Rosi Roti means livelihood. And fifth word is Pyasa. Pyasa means thirsty. So let me conclude my class. Before that, I am going to give some work. You have to read this page number 8 5 times. And you have to write and study this 5 words 5 times. धन्यवाद बच्चों.